Yo, just move in the arc. Move in the arc. Don't block the door. Don't block the door. Huh? So you want to take that crate? I'll cover you? No, you're faster. You're on, dude. I'm an out. Good. Use the window.
Yeah.
I have to take the main door because you need to know the two sideways across the window. You're moving up now.
Shit.
Watch out, dude. He's shooting out. You can't come straight out. Make it? Am I good, bro?
Let me see.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You're shooting right from that bunker. Right
Over there, yeah.
All the way back there, man. Sully, you good, man? I want to sprint over to that lake right there.
Yeah. You want me to cover you?
Yeah. This angle right there. On the middle building.
Hey, he got out, we can make it. This guy behind, he got out, we can make it right there.
There's still another guy next to him.
I'll cover you. Is there someone behind the yellow one?
I think so.
Yeah.
There's a guy still back by that tower. The car went turning around the corner.
Hey, coach, don't come over here. Y'all gotta go there for the
Wanna rush right?
Where?
I'm going left.
Where do I go?
That way.
3, 2, 1. Go! Go!
Cover me, I'm gonna rush to that yellow one. Oh, he's right there. You see him? You see him? Nah.
Let me
Yeah, okay. As soon as you load, I'm running. Just stay steady shooting over there.
To the left?
Yeah, the middle one right here, straight ahead. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.